I'm going to take this opportunity to make this video about dealing with merge conflicts. So I was working on a different branch called Throwaway, and this was the code that I've been writing in the videos, but not code that I ever committed. It was just kind of, well, throwaway code. Going forward though, I wanted to capture all of that code, and I made just one commit on Throwaway, which is not ordinarily what we would want to do. We'd want to break that up, but again, this was just some ongoing coursework, so I just threw it into one commit. That was from the Throwaway branch, and now I'm trying to merge the work from Throwaway onto the main branch, and in doing so, we have some merge conflicts. So VS Code makes merge conflicts, as terrible as they are to deal with, they're not too bad with tools such as VS Code. So let's open this up and take a look at these merge conflicts. We can see that this is in data and lib, so this isn't a huge project, so it won't be too bad. I'm just going to hit Command K, Command W, and then we can actually head over here. Well, it seems to be lagging a little bit here. Okay, so it actually tells us, it realizes where the merge conflicts are, which files. We see these red exclamation marks. So let's jump in here and take a look. This is just kind of raw throwaway data. So it actually marks the conflicts right here. And this is, see, one of the versions has the extra space and one does not. So what we want is, we can see it marks us here, this is the current change versus the incoming change. So we're going to go ahead and, it doesn't matter too much, I don't want the space in here. So we could just delete all of this. See, what when you have a merge conflict, it annotates all of this stuff, like with this head and throwaway, and it tries to mark where the pieces are coming from. So this is like a commit hash, this is the throwaway branch. It's really a bunch of fluff. I've never realistically used that information, but this is pretty helpful. Or if nothing else, I just delete all of that and I just kind of reformat or rewrite the code as needed. But either way, to resolve a merge conflict, you got to get rid of all of these extra things. Now in this case, I'm just going to click accept current change, and that takes care of it, and it's done just like that. And now let's go over to lib. See, we can figure out what's happening here. This one's a little bit more. Okay, so here's our current change. And at one point, yeah, I did have all of these JS docs things in there. I might keep them or I might not. Okay, so it's just up there. And it's actually not necessarily clear. It looks like I actually want both of these things because I want all of this. So this is the incoming change. Okay, let's go ahead and just try accept incoming change, because you can always hit Command Z and go back. And so we got rid of the JS docs, that's fine. I'll get rid of this. I'm going to get rid of these docs also. We've kind of gone over this stuff. Okay, and I think we're good. We'll just close these out. And then, yeah, once we've resolved the merge conflict, we can just add those. Now everything is staged. It's already got a commit message written in the standard form here with the capital first letter, imperative tense verb. This was automatically generated by Git. There's no punctuation over there. So we'll just hit commit and push, and that's it. So merge conflicts can really be not fun. I don't think they've ever actually been fun, but they're not too bad. Again, if you commit early and commit often, you don't have these giant commits with a whole bunch of slop thrown together, that's going to make it a lot worse. The better you chunk out your commits, the less surface area there is for those merge conflicts